What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony, and do you want to make money with Clickbank starting today? Well, you're going to want to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to give you the complete sales funnel for you to be able to start generating revenue with affiliate marketing and Clickbank starting today. Okay, so the number one reason why people are unsuccessful making money when it comes to Clickbank is because they have their system completely wrong. Okay, so a lot of times you're going to go to Clickbank, you're going to look up how to make money online, you're going to see that affiliate marketing makes money online. It makes people millions and millions of dollars a year, but the problem is that as soon as you become an affiliate for Clickbank, you start to just spam and throw your affiliate link out there all over the place without building a real relationship with the audience that you're trying to promote to. So the problem with that is that when you generate an audience and you start putting your link in front of people that are interested in the product that you're promoting, the problem is that you send them directly to the sales page, which is completely wrong. Maybe if this was 2010, 2012 even, it would have worked, but we're in 2019. People are more engaged and people want to build relationships with people and they want to trust the person that they're buying from. Let me give you a general example. If you're in the market to buy a new home, you're not just going to call the first real estate agent up and say, hey, I'd like to go look at this home. You want to meet the real estate agent. You want to maybe go out to Starbucks and have coffee. Maybe you want to go to dinner. Maybe you want to go to his office. Maybe you want to see what he can do for you as far as finding you a new home before you actually get into a contract with him to purchase a home. Just like as if you were selling a home. You're not just going to call the first real estate agent up and say, hey, sell my home, without doing a little bit of research. It's the same thing when it comes to affiliate marketing and the way that buyers respond to affiliate marketers. Okay, if I'm on Facebook and I just get a random instant messenger message and someone saying, hey, check out this product, buy for me, I'm going to immediately delete that because I don't know who this person is. I automatically write it off as spam. So what you have to do is build a relationship with these people. How are you going to build a relationship with these people? That's by creating a sales funnel. Okay, if you do not know what a sales funnel, I'm going to explain to you a little bit what a sales funnel is. Okay, so here's your audience, here's your sales funnel, here's your end product. Okay, obviously the end product being your affiliate offer or product that you're promoting, where you're going to earn a commission check or earnings off of that. Okay, so instead of sending your general audience all the way over here, what you want to do is direct them in the middle, where you can capture, one, their email address, and two, capture their attention by putting yourself in front of them and providing them with enough information about the product so that they can make an educated decision when it comes to buying. And hopefully they buy through you because they've already built that trust. Does that make sense? So I personally use Clickfunnels. With Clickfunnels, it makes it really easy. It takes out all of the guesswork when it comes to creating landing pages. There's so many different things you can do in there, whether that means you want to sell your own product, whether that means you want to promote other people's products, whether that means you want to create your sales funnel through webinars, through a membership site, or simply give something away for free and capture their emails and create an autoresponder with those people so you can stay in contact with them. Not only does Clickfunnels do that for you and take the guesswork out of setting up your sales funnel, what they also do is as soon as you become a Clickfunnels member and you have their software, you also get access to all of Russell Brunson's products, affiliate products that they have on there, Ecom Millionaire, Affiliate Bootcamp, 30-day sales funnel, all of these other things where you can join other people who are currently making money online and learn from these people and see what they have. They have so many tools that you can use for free, so much advice, so much information that you can use. So I've been a member with them for a long time, actually signed up through another person who was actually promoting the product. So as long as I've been a member with Clickfunnels and buying products through them, that person has also been given an affiliate check off of that, which I have no problem with because they helped me out a ton when I got started, so I have no problem reciprocating that for them. So the fastest way to start making money with Clickbank is obviously choose a niche that you want to get involved in, choose that product, make sure that the product is good, and then what you're going to want to do is get your Clickfunnels account set up. Now they offer a 14-day trial. You can get in there for 14 days, set up a bunch of funnels, see if it's going to work for you, start to build your email list. If you don't like it, go ahead and cancel it. Obviously, you're not going to get charged for that. If you do like it, continue with it and continue to automate and streamline your business. As soon as you start to build your funnels up, you want to build your email. You want to build your email list. You want to start creating a relationship with these people. I would start to make them 1 to 2 videos a week, teaching them or giving them information on what it is that they want to learn. Okay, so as soon as that process is done, the way that it becomes automated and the way that you start to make money with Clickbank is as soon as these people start to join your email list, you're going to send them videos, you're going to send them information, you're going to build your relationship with them. At the end of your video, at the end of your email, you're going to also refer them to that Clickbank product. So it's a process, guys. It's not the first day you set up your funnel, you're going to instantly make money. But as soon as you start to build your email list up, you can build a relationship with them and then refer them to your Clickbank offer that you're promoting. That is the fastest way that you can make money. My affiliate link for Clickfunnels will be down in the description below. I also wrote an internet marketing profits book that I'm giving away to you guys for free. I will teach you everything on internet marketing that you need to know. That link is also in the description. And if this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor and please hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you guys later.